So we want to do 7.3 number 27, which says calculate the discriminant for w squared plus 6 is 0. What the heck's a discriminant again? Yeah, the business under the square root, right? Doesn't include the square root, just the business under it. So what's the business under the square root on the quadratic formula?
B squared minus 4ac.
Okay. So this is what I kind of think when I hear the word discriminant, right? Okay, so I have to identify the A, B, and C in this thing, right? Go.
1, 0, 6.
A is 1, C is 6 for sure, right? Where'd you get B is 0?
Not there.
Yeah, there aren't any B's. This should go back to sheep, right? We're keeping track of how many B's there are. There aren't, or W's, right? How many plain W's are there in your herd? None. Cool, great. Okay, what do I do with this?
Plug it in.
Yeah, okay. Plug this in there. So if I plug this in there, what do I get? I get 0 squared
Minus
4 times
1.
1 times 6. I got negative 24. Was this a solve or an evaluate? Yeah, I was supposed to calculate the discriminant, right?
To tell you how many solutions are.
This word means the same thing as evaluate, right? You guys see that? I didn't reverse any operations here, so this wasn't a solve question. This was just a find the number. So how would I phrase an answer to this thing?
No rules, no solutions.
Oh, you guys are knowing something else, right? Did they ask for that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
How many solutions?
So I wrote down incomplete directions, right? They wrote calculate the discriminant and tell us how many solutions there are.
Determine the nature of the solution.
Okay. So, and determine nature of solutions. Oops, nature of solutions. Right? Okay, so I found out the discriminant was negative 24, and what does that tell me?
No solutions.
Yeah, there's no real solutions because I'm
Square root of negative.
Yeah, because I'm trying to feed a square root a negative number, right? It doesn't know what to do with that. Yeah, it's a complex number, which is a place we haven't chosen to play in yet, right? So we just write, oh, wait. They kind of asked me a question with words, right? I should probably answer with some words, right? So what do you say? The discriminant is negative 24.
Therefore, there are no real solutions.
So there aren't any real solutions. There are solutions, they're just not real numbers. Cool? There are other numbers, but we've chosen to play in the real numbers, so they aren't in here. Cool? Questions on this? Good. Graphically, what the hell is going on here?
X-axis.
Or above or below the x-axis.
Doesn't touch the x-axis.
I claim you know whether it's above or below. This thing's a parabola, right? Okay, so here I'm thinking U-shaped thing, right?
All of the points are
0 is, say, x-axis, right? Or in this case, a w-axis, right? So I'm thinking parabola meets w-axis, maybe? And I'm finding nuh-uh, right? So what's the picture look like? Oh yeah, I know what this looks like, right? This is the w squared parabola shifted up 6 units.
6 is the y.
So that's a picture like this. This is 0, comma 6, right? Here's my w axis. So of course there's no meeting between these. You guys see that? So could we have gotten away without calculating the discriminant on this one? Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
you could.
It's shifted up and it points up. It doesn't meet that w axis, period. There aren't going to be any real solutions.
So, or could you just subtract 6 both sides and just put it in there? You would have gotten the same idea.
You guys all see that too? Another quick way for me to try to do this is to just try to solve it, see what the solutions look like, right? The quick way to solve this is not the quadratic formula, but is in fact, what's the quick method to solve this? You could complete the square, right? That would take forever on this one. Mostly because there's a 0 in it, I wouldn't know how to deal with it. Really, you just subtract 6, right? And then try to take a square root. Because you'd end up with a negative number under a square root. Yeah, that'd be a problem. It's the same problem. It's coming from all 3 places at once. Cool? All right.